Are you a restaurateur or a restaurant manager or anybody related to the restaurant operation? This is a preview to 6 restaurant profit margin recipes. This is a preview to this online course which teaches you the basics and more of restaurant management. The anatomy of a restaurant income statement is all about what a restaurant income statement contains. This allows you to understand revenue, expenses, and profit of your restaurant operation. This particular preview is about the period element in an income statement, which is one of the most important elements that need to be understood before you can understand a restaurant income statement. To clear any confusion that exists, an income statement is also known as a profit and loss statement. Let's take a look at the Taste Buds restaurant, whose financial statement we will use to understand period. So one of the first things to know is that the income statement is always for a period. That period can be for a month, it can be for a quarter, it can be for a year, but it is always with reference to a period. So what is this period about? Take a look at this income statement of Taste Buds restaurant. This period has two elements to it. The current month, as you can see, is being shown here for the year 2016, and that contains an actual amount, a budget, and a variance. It also makes a comparison to the previous year current month, the year 2015. You can see in this financial statement screenshot. The current month is a single month's performance, and in this particular case it's the month of December. You will see there are other parts to the period, like the year to date, which shows the number of months already completed. So the results of the current month this year refer to actual, budget, and the variance of the actual from the budget. As you can see, the year to date, which also has actual, budget, and variance, is not the same as the current month. The current month is December 2016, while this year to date as of 31st December 2016 is for the 12 months of the year 2016. So current month is for 1 month, this year to date is for 12 months. And the comparison again in this year to date is made to the previous year. So the previous year 2015 also has numbers for 12 months. Before any restaurant manager or a restaurateur or anybody related to a restaurant operation understands an income statement, they must first understand this period element, which is about current month and year to date.
If you would like to learn more about how to earn higher restaurant revenue, click on this video above.